Welcome to my new another video. Today's video contains 2024 new top 5 dish drying rack that will amaze you, so don't skip the video and watch till the end. So let's start the video.
Speckled dish. Drying rack is a high-quality kitchen essential for anyone in need of an efficient dish organization solution. Crafted from durable 304 stainless steel, this two-tier dish rack combines robust construction with a sleek design, perfect for any kitchen decor. Measuring at 10.2 inches in diameter, 16.1 inches in width, and 16.6 inches in height, the Speckled dish drying rack offers ample space for all your dishes, utensils, and kitchenware. The silver color adds a modern touch to its functionality and includes a convenient drainage outlet to keep your countertop dry and clean. With a weight capacity of up to 110 pounds, this dish rack is not only adjustable, but also incredibly sturdy. The adjustable feet allow for customizable positioning, making it suitable for any kitchen setup. Whether you need a dish drainer, dish holder, utensil holder, or all of the above, the Speckled dish drying rack is versatile enough to meet your various needs. Its versatility and durability.
This one Easy Life drying rack, metal 3-tier, large capacity dish rack, is a versatile and sturdy addition to any kitchen. Made of high-quality metal, this dish rack is built to last and can support up to 50 pounds of weight. Its dimensions of 9.84 inches in diameter, 16.54 inches in width, and 24.8 inches in height provide ample space for drying dishes, utensils, and more. The black color adds a sleek and modern touch to any kitchen decor. The rack's 3-tier design offers plenty of storage space, making it ideal for organizing dishes and kitchen essentials. Its removable feature adds convenience for cleaning and customization based on your needs. Whether you are looking for a reliable dish drainer, utensil holder, or extra storage solution for your kitchen, this one Easy Life drying rack is a practical choice. Its countertop mount design makes it easy to access while keeping your kitchen organized and clutter-free.
Recently had the opportunity to test the OvertheSink dish drying rack by Sej, and I must say I am thoroughly impressed with its performance. This dish drying rack is constructed from high-quality metal, ensuring durability and longevity. The dimensions of 11.5 inches in diameter, 34.6 inches in width, and 20.7 inches in height provide ample space for drying various dishware items efficiently. The sleek black color adds a touch of elegance to any kitchen. I particularly appreciate the adjustable feature of this rack, allowing for customization based on individual needs. Whether you have a small or large sink, this drying rack can be easily adjusted to fit perfectly. The countertop mount design makes it easy to install without the need for complicated tools or hardware. At just 3 kilograms,
the Howo OvertheSink dish. Drying rack is a premium kitchen essential that combines functionality with durability. Crafted from high-quality stainless steel, this drying rack is designed to withstand daily use while adding a touch of elegance to your kitchen space. Measuring at 11.4 inches in diameter, 32.3 inches in width, and 33.9 inches in height, the Howo drying rack offers ample space for drying various kitchen items, from dishes and utensils to sponges. Its black color adds a sleek and modern look to any kitchen decor, making it a versatile addition to your culinary workspace. What sets this product apart is its versatility in mounting options. With both sink and over-the-sink mounting capabilities, the Howo drying rack can be easily adjusted to fit your space and meet your specific needs. This feature ensures convenient installation and efficient use of kitchen countertop space. Weighing 8.5 pounds and capable of supporting up to 66 pounds, this drying rack
Howo OvertheSink dish. Drying rack offers a practical and efficient solution for organizing your kitchen space. Made of hard metal with sturdy plastic hooks, this rack ensures durability and stability. The product dimensions of 12.2 D into 35.4 W into 20.2 H provide ample space for drying dishes and utensils. The black color and sleek design blend well with most kitchen decor styles. The rack's recommended uses include functioning as a sponge holder and additional storage for kitchen essentials. Its countertop mounting type allows for easy installation without the need for complicated tools. Weighing 7.5 pounds, this rack has a weight limit of 50 pounds, making it suitable for holding a variety of kitchen items securely. The special features of being home-used, expandable, adjustable, and rust-resistant add to the overall appeal and functionality of the product. In conclusion, the Arst PoE over-the-sink dish drying rack is a reliable and versatile addition to any kitchen.